The world is changing, fast. Every day new technologies emerge, reshaping the way we live, work, and interact. The pace of innovation is relentless, and it's driving us towards a future that once seemed like science fiction. Technology is driving this change. From smartphones to smart homes, from artificial intelligence to blockchain, the digital revolution is in full swing. And at the heart of this transformation lies a groundbreaking innovation: cryptocurrency. One of the biggest game changers? Cryptocurrency. It's not just a buzzword, it's a paradigm shift. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others are redefining the concept of money and value. Imagine a world without banks, where you control your own money. No intermediaries, no excessive fees, just you and your digital wallet. This is the promise of crypto, a decentralized financial system that empowers individuals. That's the promise of crypto. It's about financial freedom, transparency, and security. It's about taking back control from traditional financial institutions and putting it in the hands of the people. It's still early days, but savvy investors are already reaping the rewards. Those who recognize the potential of cryptocurrencies early on have seen significant returns on their investments. But it's not just about making money, it's about being part of a financial revolution. Are you ready to join them? The world of crypto is open to everyone, regardless of background or experience. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, there's a place for you in this exciting new frontier. This is your guide to navigating the exciting world of crypto. Learn the secrets, make smart decisions, understand the technology, the market trends, and the strategies that can help you succeed, and unlock the potential of this financial revolution. The road ahead is filled with opportunities, but it's also fraught with challenges. With the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate this landscape with confidence. This isn't just about getting rich quick. While the allure of quick profits can be tempting, it's important to approach cryptocurrency with a long-term perspective. This is about building sustainable wealth and understanding the underlying technology. That's a gamble, not an investment. True investment requires research, patience, and a clear strategy. It's about making informed decisions based on solid information and analysis. This is about understanding a revolutionary technology. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, is a game changer in its own right. It's a decentralized ledger that ensures transparency, security, and immutability. It's about taking control of your financial future. By understanding how cryptocurrencies work, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's about being part of something bigger than yourself. The crypto community is vibrant, diverse, and global. It's a movement that transcends borders and unites people with a shared vision of a decentralized future. This guide will give you the knowledge. From the basics of blockchain to advanced trading strategies, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started and thrive in the world of crypto. It will help you avoid common mistakes. The crypto market can be volatile and unpredictable, but with the right guidance, you can navigate it successfully and avoid the pitfalls that many newcomers face. It will empower you to make informed decisions. Knowledge is power, and in the world of crypto, it's your most valuable asset. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay ahead of the curve. Cryptocurrency can be complex, but we'll break it down into easy-to-understand concepts. From understanding market trends to mastering technical analysis, we'll provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Are you ready to dive in? The world of crypto awaits, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. Take the plunge, explore the depths, and discover the future of finance. Before you dive into the world of crypto investing, you need to understand the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Imagine a digital ledger. This ledger is not just any ledger, it's a revolutionary digital record-keeping system that has transformed the way we think about money and transactions. This ledger records every transaction. It's called a blockchain. Each transaction is a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. This chain of blocks is immutable, meaning once a block is added, it cannot be altered or deleted. It's spread across countless computers. These computers, known as nodes, work together to validate and record transactions. This decentralized nature ensures that no single point of failure exists, making the system robust and resilient. This makes it incredibly secure. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, creating a secure and transparent record. The use of cryptographic algorithms ensures that the data is tamper-proof and trustworthy.
Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are built on this blockchain technology. They are digital assets. They are decentralized. This means they operate independently of any central authority, such as a government or financial institution. That means no single entity controls them. This decentralization is one of the key features that make cryptocurrencies unique and appealing to many users. Not governments, not banks. This lack of central control means that cryptocurrencies are not subject to the same regulations and restrictions as traditional currencies. This gives you, the user, more control. You have the power to manage your own assets without relying on intermediaries. This can lead to lower transaction fees and faster processing times. Transactions are fast and secure. The blockchain technology ensures that transactions are processed quickly and efficiently, often in a matter of minutes. You can send money anywhere in the world. This global reach is one of the most significant advantages of cryptocurrencies, allowing for seamless cross-border transactions. And it's all trackable on the blockchain. Every transaction is recorded and can be traced back to its origin, providing a level of transparency that is unmatched by traditional financial systems. This transparency is a key advantage of cryptocurrencies. It builds trust among users and helps prevent fraud and corruption.
Understanding the basics of blockchain technology is crucial for navigating the crypto world. Without this foundational knowledge, it can be challenging to make informed decisions and take full advantage of the opportunities that cryptocurrencies offer. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. From smart contracts to decentralized applications, blockchain technology is the backbone of the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Take the time to learn it. There are many resources available, from online courses to books and articles, that can help you deepen your understanding of blockchain technology. It will pay off in the long run. As the world continues to embrace digital currencies and blockchain technology, having a solid grasp of these concepts will position you for success in this rapidly evolving landscape. Cryptocurrency markets are exciting. They are also highly volatile. Prices can swing wildly. This can be unnerving for new investors, but it also presents opportunities.
Volatility is a double-edged sword. It can lead to quick gains. It can also result in sudden losses. Understanding this volatility is key to success in crypto. Don't panic sell when prices drop. Don't get greedy when prices skyrocket. Have a plan, stick to it, and be prepared for a bumpy ride.
Volatility is a natural part of the crypto market. Embrace it, but manage it wisely. Picking your crypto champions, strategies for success. Now that you understand the basics, how do you choose which cryptocurrencies to invest in? There are thousands of them. Not all are created equal. Some are riskier than others.
First, do your research. Understand the project behind the coin. What problem is it trying to solve? Who is the team behind it? What is its long-term potential? Look for strong fundamentals. Consider factors like market capitalization, trading volume, and community support.
Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. Be cautious of hype. Invest in projects you believe in. Crypto quicksand, common pitfalls to avoid. The crypto world is filled with opportunities. It's a dynamic and rapidly evolving space that has the potential to offer significant returns on investment. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and countless altcoins, the possibilities seem endless. However, it's also teeming with pitfalls. The complexity and volatility of the market can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. The sheer number of options can make it difficult to know where to start or what to invest in. Knowing what to avoid is just as important as knowing what to look for. A well-informed investor is a successful investor. It's crucial to educate yourself about the market, understand the risks, and develop a solid investment strategy.
One of the biggest mistakes is investing more than you can afford to lose. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and invest money that you can't afford to lose, hoping for a big payoff. But this can lead to financial ruin if the market takes a downturn. Crypto can be highly volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. This unpredictability can be stressful and can lead to impulsive decisions that may not be in your best interest. Be prepared for the possibility of losing your entire investment. It's a harsh reality, but one that every investor must be prepared for. Don't fall for scams. The promise of quick and easy money can be tempting, but it's often a trap. The crypto space is rife with them. Scammers are always looking for ways to exploit unsuspecting investors. They may create fake websites, send phishing emails, or even impersonate legitimate companies to steal your money. Be wary of promises of guaranteed returns. No investment is without risk, and anyone who tells you otherwise is likely trying to deceive you. Always do your due diligence and verify the legitimacy of any investment opportunity. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. High returns with little to no risk are a red flag. Trust your instincts and be cautious.
Don't blindly follow the crowd. Just because everyone is investing in something doesn't mean it's a good investment. The fear of missing out can lead to poor decision-making and significant losses. Do your own research. Make informed decisions. Take the time to understand the market, the technology behind the cryptocurrencies, and the potential risks and rewards. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to navigate the crypto landscape and avoid common pitfalls.